PM Modi pledges to make India a developed country in the next 25 years. CM Dr. Tulira Mohang attends mass joining program at Balipathar Higher Secondary School under Sarupathar constituency. 35 students hospitalized due to sunstroke while attending 75 Indian Independence Day celebration 2022. Hi and welcome to the Kirby Daily News. I am Promina Timupi with the latest news for this morning. PM Modi pledged to make India a developed country in the next 25 years while addressing on 75 glorious Independence Day from Red Fort in New Delhi on Monday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pledged to raise millions out of poverty and turn India into a developed country in the next quarter century as he marked 75 years since independence from British rule. Modi said the journey of the past 75 years had seen ups and downs, with India battling against all odds with resilience and perseverance. He asked people to remove any trace of colonial mindset. Modi said India will be guided by the ideals of self-reliance and the spirit of international partnership to attain excellence in science and technology, establish industries, and attain food and energy security. He said billions of dollars in investment were flowing into the country, turning it into a manufacturing hub. India's efforts have already launched the country of 1.4 billion people into the ranks of leading countries in information technology, pharmaceuticals, space science, and civil nuclear energy. Modi said millions of people across the country were commemorating the 75th anniversary of independence by hoisting national flags at their homes and business for 3 days as part of a government campaign of awakening the spirit of patriotism in every heart. India's parliament, the presidential palace, national monuments, and other government offices bleached with multicolor lighting. Jameson Teron updates on 75 Independence Day at New Delhi, Kirby Daily News. CM Dr. Tulira Mohang attended mass joining program at Balipathar Higher Secondary School under Sarupathar constituency on 14 of August 2022. Dr. Tulira Mohang on 14 of August visited Sarupathar constituency and inaugurated the inspection bungalow at Cultural Complex at Jabrajan in the morning. And in the latter hour, he laid foundation stone for construction of market modernization of Balipathar Market Complex under Market Modernization and Improvement Program scheme. He also attended the mass joining program at Balipathar Higher Secondary School, where around 109 UDF members and followers of Simeon Rongford joined BJP in the said meeting. He was accompanied by the Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momit, MLS, executive members, MSCS, and Simeon Rongford. Many BJP workers and members from Nick and corner of Sarupathar were present in the meeting. Trison Ekte with Mongme Teron cameraman, Kirby Daily News. "35 students hospitalized due to sunstroke while attending 75 Indian Independence Day celebrations at Hamren." 75 Indian Independence Day was celebrated in West Karbi Anglong district at Hamren, Rongbong Playground. While participating in the March Past competition, 36 students from different schools fell weak and dizziness due to sun heat and unable to stand fell on the spots. All the 36 students were immediately taken to the hospital for treatment. When received information, KSA Hamren Regional Head Branch Prasanto Ingti and his companion visited the sick students and provided them mineral waters and with medicines. Bidaram Ingling report from Hamren, Kirby Daily News. That's all for today. Keep watching Karbi Daily News.